Okay, this will be a video chart on ASFX, American Scientific Resources Incorporated. Done many video charts on this one because it's always remained a popular stock. And today they had some news, and this was the results. Big volume. I do want to note that this is a 60-minute chart, meaning that each one of these bars you see here, candlesticks, are 1 hour worth of price action. And the reason I've been following this one on the 60-minute is because the daily chart was really messed up by a fat finger trade, and this one just does a good job of showing what's going on with the chart. But like I said, today had very nice volume. As you can see, all this volume was from today, but unfortunately, the price did end up pulling back by the end of the day. The stock was still up 7.5%, but didn't quite close up near where it had gone. And I want to point out this chart pattern that I see forming here. And I was watching level 2s quite a bit today, and it's very evident why the chart is forming the way it is. So we'll just go with this. But first thing I do, if I take this and then just draw the trend line up like that, this is giving us a nice uptrend that we've had since about October 20th or so. The price has slowly been going upwards. And then I can take another trend line, and if I grab pretty much this low here, which is at 0.025, and bring it across like this, you will see that multiple times, and when I say multiple, I mean quite a bit. We had it, a bunch of times here, 25, here, 25, here, and when I say 25, I mean 0.025, here, 25, here, 25, and once again, today bounced off that 25-cent area, or 0.025 cent area. And I can see why when I was watching level 2s, there's just a lot of profit takers up in this area. Whenever the price got up there, the market makers would really kind of pile on. So for whatever reason, this 0.025 area is, a heavy area of resistance and a heavy area where a lot of people are looking to sell. But with heavy resistance areas like this, the good news is, if and when they do fall, the price will usually make a nice move upwards through that. So I want to get this pattern mapped out here. Use red for resistance, and then since this is our support, use green down here. But right now we have kind of this ascending triangle here where we have a flat top of resistance, but then we also have an increasing base pattern down here. So that's going to be the key thing to look at. I could focus more on just today's action, but really, zooming in, you can see had a nice gap up, gap and run, and then the remainder of the day was just slowly going back down. The one thing that I like how the chart was able to do was it managed to stay above the 200 period and 50 period simple moving averages. Hopefully it can start to base up above those and make another run up here at this 0.025 area. But it does have some leeway now before it would be testing this trend line again. So ideally, it'd be nice to see it hold up here, but if it doesn't, like I said, it's still got this support level down here to hold. So, like I said, nothing groundbreaking today, but I did want to point this out, especially after watching, like I said, level 2s. If this 0.025 area can fall, and it's going to take strong volume to get through there, this thing could really make another nice run here because it's tried multiple times since October to get through this level, and it just keeps getting denied. So it's kind of like a coiled spring getting up or coiling up here. If it can finally get through there, I think there could really be some fireworks. So I'll have it on watch, and I'll be watching it for a nice strong break of that 0.025. But for right now, the bears are still holding down this ground up here, and we'll see if the bulls can make another attack sooner than later, and hopefully this time push through. If there are any other questions on the chart, let me know, and I'll try to do my best to help you out. I'd also encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, which has been getting very good reviews, and with your subscription you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, and educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, and best part is it's all free, no strings attached. We've been making some good money together, so it's definitely worth at least giving a try. One last time, this was ASFX. Thanks for listening.